Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add a sticky add to cart button to your Shopify store. So first of all, you need to go to the apps right here on the search bar, write down sticky cart or something sticky add to cart. And now as you can see, there is sticky add to cart booster pro, and you basically choose anything you want. So for the sake of this video, let's choose this free one, a Zurich sticky add cart bar. And now let's install it. Now when you installed it, you're gonna click on Enable Disable Shopify Editor and you will be redirected to this page and you want to enable it. And as you can see, there is a add to cart button right there right now. If you want that bubble on the side, then you would need a different application. So for example, Globo is also really great. Let's install it and see how it looks like. Now, when we install it, I'm just gonna click this customize the sticky card button. It is enabled now. So let's see what they have. What type of pop-up sticky card, sticky add to card. So we can enable and customize all of them. Now, when you go back here on your customization on Spotify theme, you can enable global sticky add to cart. And as you can see, it is now at the bottom. You can manage app in customizable settings right there and make it different than that. But basically, yeah, guys, there's applications. And if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.